Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to add someone on Telegram with a QR code. Now, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code on Telegram so you can send that to your friends so they can add you. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you how to scan that. So firstly, of course, you want to open Telegram like this. And here on Telegram, you're going to see the three lines or the hamburger icon on the upper left corner of the screen. So tap on that and a slide will appear. This is where you're gonna see pretty much your profile, and what you want to do is tap on settings. So after you tap on settings like this, you're gonna see a QR code icon beside the search icon beside the three dots icon on the upper right corner of the screen. So tap on this, and here you are gonna show the QR code. You could choose whatever design you want, and then afterwards just tap on share QR code. There you go. And after you can just send it to anybody from your contacts. Now, after you send that, so how do they scan that? It's very easy. Most new phones today have scanners built in, but if you have an older phone like mine, just type in scanner app right like that, and you're gonna just choose whatever scanner app you have here for QR codes. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.